I will bring in Laura. Laura is part of the faculty. She's based out in Spain. Another legal tech expert, fantastic expert within legal design, already part of a really comprehensive master's qualification in Spain. Absolute pleasure to have her on board, and again, a supporter of the content and helping shape the overall program. Over to you, Laura.
Thank you, Shaq. Yes, regarding the program, I really am very happy to be part of that, because it's really been a long time since I've been wondering how this could be done, and that it was really necessary to set some kind of international common standards for lawyers to know and to have certain knowledge and skills regarding legal tech. So I'm really, really happy this is finally happening. And I'm also happy Mo just mentioned design thinking, which is what I am going to talk in my module. Just in case, for those who don't really see clearly the relationship between design and law and the legal industry, I guess if you think about the design of a chair will be designed depending on the uses of this chair. You will put either wheels on your chair or not if you need the chair to be folded. Is it a chair for a fat person, for a thin person? Is it, you have all this things to take into account in order to design a chair designed for its user. Well, if you think about legal system, wherever you're based, I guess if you think about how how the legal system is designed, you will probably think and understand that it is not usually well designed. So this happened with most of the elements of the legal industry. That's why, according to me, design thinking, which is using the design skills and putting them to law in our case, is really, really important. Many of the legal tech projects built or tried to be used are failing because of that, because it's not designed for their users. So the first step for all kind of legal tech product or a tool is to really have it made taking into account the user insights. So this is what we're going to see very practically with design thinking. Has a series of different steps. For each steps, you have different exercises that allow you to go from one step to the other. You start by empathizing, understanding your user, and you finish by testing your prototype, and then you test, and then you take your users' feedback. So it's quite reassuring to have this methodology at hand in a very practical way. And it's being used in the legal industry for a variety. I will not enter into contract design because you have the most amazing teachers already with Stefania Passera, who talked to the presentation this morning, if you attended to that, and Tim Cummins too. So this is, contract design is a part of legal design, but we will leave that to the real experts there. But there are still a lot of things that design thinking is very useful in legal, which we will cover, which is like process design and process improvement, organizational design, and obviously tech design or tech use. So really, I came out to this design thinking practicing out of looking for a way to bring the people in a tech project. And I've really found that it was a really, really good facilitator to all the tech creation and adoption. So I think that's it for me. I'm open to any question you could have.